Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection, you see the top trending and most demandable wreath designs for the Easter day. Easter celebration ideas, Easter amazing creative ideas, and hope you like the video till the end. And if you have any problem, if you have any question, then ask me in comment box. Watch my videos to like my video and to share my videos. All collection are so stunning, so adorable, and I enjoy my collection, and you also enjoy my collection because Easter festival are coming soon. Welcome Wits Designs. Welcome is most beautiful, and most attractive and most amazing colorful event, and everyone like to celebrate and decor your home with a beautiful decoration. And I provide only the designs, I provide only the ideas, not the making and not the tutorial. So don't miss the chance, adopt all the designs for the Easter day. For Easter is very important festival all over the world, and everyone like this video because the Easter decoration is most important. So thank you so much guys to watch and support to Easy Craft videos. Take care and bye bye.